Now that I've taken off the intake manifold nuts, I was able to loosen up these as well, and this came right out, so that's good. Just gonna set that there for now, and put this little piece with it as well. Guessing this just probably slides off. Hey, you know what? Let's leave it on there. And then at that end, let's go see what's going on over here at this end. See, this takes a few hours. I think I'm at least 5 hours into this. But not too stressed. I'm just a little hot. So I took off my shirt. Alright, so this whole intake manifold came off. Alright. I'm going to set this right here for now. I'm going to separate that from that. Put those in a plastic bag. And mark, let's see. Mark it on the wall here. Let's see, show your intake manifold nuts. Whoops. Intake manifold. And then ends of intake manifold. Right? There you go. All right.